Welcome back to Retro Phone Show. Today we're looking at this mobile phone here. And yes, it is a mobile. It's called the Opis 60s mobile phone. It actually looks like the old 60s house phones used to have back in the 60s. Use the charger here to charge it up. Use to charge it up. There's the manual here. The Opis 60s mobile. It shows you where the SIM card goes and whatnot. Right, let's have a look at the phone itself. Move them over there a bit. I've actually got my SIM card in it at the moment, so I'll be able to test it in a minute. Here's the actual phone. As you can see, it looks and feels like the real thing. There's the charging port there, where you charge it up, right there. Right, to show you where the SIM card goes. So the SIM card goes in there. If you have any problems, like the SIM card's not in there properly, or the signal's not working, or the battery's going flat, it'll flash red if that's going flat, or it'll flash red if it's no signal, and it'll also flash red if the SIM card's not in there properly, or if the SIM card's blocked or whatever. So it's on now actually, but there's no problems with it because it's all off, so the phone is happy at the moment. So if we lift this up, we should hear, I don't know if we can hear that. That is the actual ringtone. The dial tone, I should say. Right, I've got a crate on that SIM card. It's opened all networks. It's opened all networks, but I'm not too sure if it'll work on the free network though. I'm not too sure about that, but I know it'll work. I've tested it on the Vodafone, Orange, EE, O2, T-Mobile, Virgin, and so on, but the only one I haven't checked it on is a free network, so I'm not too sure if it works on that, but I don't see why not. So there's the phone. Right, let's try to ring him now. Hang on, be a wee minute. I'm using my old Tone brick, the black version. Let's see if this will just ring him now. Right. It should start the call now any minute. Yeah. If I put this on loud speaker now. I'm speaking to this. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. There you have it. It's all up and running. Got my SIM card in it as I showed you. There's a SIM card there. Vodafone SIM card. Let's take a look at the speaker. It is a proper bell in here. Is in there. You can actually connect the thing like, but I think people would really want to carry this around with them, so it's more like I think if you want to leave it in the house, like, because I wouldn't recommend anybody carrying it around, like, to be honest with you. It's a bit big and bulky. And yep, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe, and I will have more on the way soon. Thank you very much. Bye.